I'm going to invite you to take a deep breath. I'm going to actually invite us to take a couple of deep breaths together. Let's do 3 deep breaths. Another one, breathing in. One more, breathing in. Just to become more settled into this moment. Allowing ourselves, whatever brought us to this place and this space of centering and resting in God. And so we do, in fact, give thanks for whatever brought us to this moment. As we also release that which has brought us here. Here and now. We are focused and intentional about allowing ourselves to become more aware and more centered in this divine connection. A connection to the Spirit of God that moves through and as us. A connection to the Christ presence, the Buddha energy, that divinity that is our truth. And so notice as the mind begins to be more focused on the energy of this time. Feel into the ways in which the heart right here, right now, is unfolding this holy, sacred experience. The ways in which the loving energy of the heart is felt and embodied by you here and now. Take another deep, refreshing breath. Prosperity and abundance is ours. Wholeness and health is our truth. Joy, peace of mind is our reality. And so as you continue to be aware of your breath, allow with each breath in to become more settled, to go deeper into the inner sanctuary of your being. As you exhale, know that here and now you release. You let go of that which no longer serves you, any thoughts of being limited, any thoughts of lack within any area of your life. Your truth is abundance. Your truth is resting in God as our source. Your prosperous attitude blesses your life. Just feel into that truth and awareness that your prosperous attitude blesses your life here and now. Now let us take that as the truth of our being and let us affirm that for ourselves. I invite you to affirm it for yourself. My prosperous attitude blesses my life. Say that to yourself. Speak it into this moment. My prosperous attitude blesses my life. Notice how it feels true in this moment. Recognize how it feels so natural here and now to claim that good, to affirm this truth, for it is truly the energy that you are: prosperous, abundant. And so as you claim this truth for yourself, get a sense of what it's like to embody this affirmation. My prosperous attitude blesses my life. Your prosperous attitude is one that recognizes love, peace, joy. It's one that recognizes wholeness and health as your truth. Your prosperous attitude here and now invites you to feel the wisdom and guidance that is God, the inspiration that is God through and as you, to show up affirming divine ideas, trusting the strength and the courage within you to do what is yours to do, to experience a deeper sense of prosperity and abundance. From the foundational knowing that God is source. And that source is within you. You embody prosperity. You embody good. And as you embody this awareness and this knowing of your truth, I invite you now to experience it and see it as this wonderful, warm energy, and take a moment to radiate that energy into the different aspects of your life. Focus that energy and send it to your relationships. Your relationships are abundant and loving. Your relationships are the support, are the ways in which Spirit is in this moment inviting you to a greater awareness of your truth. Send this energy to your work, your employment, the ways in which you are seeking to express your skills and talents. Your employment is blessed. It is ordained. And it brings to you a deeper understanding and a deeper sense of your good. Send the energy of prosperity and abundance to your health and wholeness. Just get a sense of how it feels within your body to feel so prosperous, to lift up the consciousness of your body. Feel like $1,000,000. And now, if there are other areas of your life where you want to send this energy and awareness of abundance and prosperity, do so now. Infuse your life with this consciousness. Let it flow. Let it lead you to fully experience God, to fully experience an awareness of your good. Now take another deep breath. You are seen in the light of your truth. You are seen as prosperous and abundant. You are seen as the blessing that you are, and in turn, you feel so blessed. So connect with the gratitude that is within your heart right here and now. Gratitude for the awareness. Gratitude for your commitment to sit with and know your truth. And gratitude for knowing that your good is here and now, that your prosperity is expressing into your life, and that you are abundantly blessed. Your prosperous attitude blesses your life. Your prosperous attitude blesses the life of humanity. Your prosperous attitude leads you, guides you, and recognizes the greater blessing that is unfolding. And for this, we give thanks. So it is, as we let it be. Amen and amen.